Hello everyone, welcome back to the lesson. Today we are going to learn something very important in English. It is about clauses. Maybe you have seen clauses before, but you are still not sure what they really are, isn't it? But don't worry, today I will explain everything clearly and simply. And by the end of this lesson, you will be able to first understand what a clause is, second, identify different types of clauses, and third, find clauses easily in sentences. So let us get started. So what is a clause? A clause is a group of words that contains a subject and a verb. Because of this, a clause can sometimes be a complete sentence or just part of a sentence. Let's look at some examples. She is happy. They are playing. When he arrived. All of these have a subject and a verb. So yes, they are clauses. But remember everyone, not all clauses express a complete idea. Alright? Now let us move on to types of clauses. There are two main types. First, independent clause. Second, dependent clause. Don't worry, we will go step by step. Let us do a quick check together. Look at these two examples. She is reading because she is tired. Are they clauses? Yes, because both have a subject and a verb. But are they the same type? No, they are different. Let us find out why. Let us start with the first type, independent clause. An independent clause is a clause that can stand alone as a complete sentence. For example, she is reading a book. They play football. He finished his homework. Now think about this sentence. She is reading a book. Does it make sense by itself? Yes, it does. So it is an independent clause. Next, dependent clause. A dependent clause also has a subject and a verb, but it cannot stand alone. For example, because she is tired. When he arrived. If it rains. Now listen carefully. Because she is tired, does this feel complete, everyone? No, it feels unfinished, isn't it? So this is a dependent clause. Now let us go a little deeper. There are three common types of dependent clauses. First, noun clause. Second, adjective clause. Third, adverb clause. Let us look at each one. A noun clause functions like a noun. It can be the subject or the object of a sentence. For example, what she said is true. I know that he is honest. In this sentence, I know that he is honest. The noun clause is that he is honest. Alright, everyone? So I hope you understand this part clearly. Let us move on. Next, adjective clause. An adjective clause describes a noun, just like an adjective does. It often begins with words like who, which, or that. For example, the boy who is playing is my brother. Can you find the clause? Yes, who is playing is a clause, isn't it? Alright, finally, an adverb clause. An adverb clause gives more information about time, a reason, condition, or place. It often starts with words like because, when, if, or though. For example, I stayed home because it was raining. When she arrived, we started. In this sentence, I stayed home because it was raining. The adverb clause is because it was raining. I hope you will understand about this part, everyone. If you are not sure, let me know in the comment below. Alright? So today we learned about clauses and their different types. Remember this simple idea. A clause equals subject plus verb. There are two main types: independent clause and dependent clause, and three types of dependent clauses: noun, adjective, and adverb. If you understand this well, your English grammar will become much stronger. Thank you very much and see you in the next lesson. Bye.